Hey everybody, welcome back for another Trackhoe Tuesday. This week, JD has to clean out all this topsoil from this yard. So he brought his mini excavator and the dump truck. The mini excavator is going to scrape down all the topsoil and load it up into the dump truck. And the dump truck's going to take it all away.
JD has to change the buckets. The smooth bucket will be able to scrape the topsoil and leave the ground smooth. Be careful close to that wall. Here comes the dump truck, ready for another load. Once the topsoil is all gone, then we'll place number 8 crushed limestone. And we're doing that because grass doesn't grow well here. Be careful close to that wall. Watch out! Let's speed it up.
Thanks for joining us this week. And we'll see you again next week. And please remember to subscribe. When you subscribe, JD knows you like the videos and he'll keep making more.
Are you ready to go for a ride?